So more often than not, if you're putting money into a bank account, you're not just going to put money into the bank account, you're going to want to make withdrawals as well. Okay, so how does that look when we're trying to work out an accumulated value after a period of time? So I'm just going to change one of my headings ever so slightly. So I'm still going to put the date there to keep track of what's going in and out. And instead of deposit, I'm just going to call it in/out. Okay, so what's going into the account, what's coming out. I'm still going to have a space for my interest rate multiplier, and I'm still going to have a space for working out how much that will be at the end of the term. So we're making payments on the 1st of April, the 1st of July, and the 1st of November. Okay, so on the 1st of April, we are putting £1,200 into the account. So the account will be in a surplus, okay? It will have money in it. We will be putting money in. So that's why I'm writing plus £1,200 there. We wouldn't normally have to do that if all we were doing was putting money into the account. We wouldn't need to write a plus sign there, but it just makes it easier to kind of keep track of what's going in and what's going out, okay? On the 1st of July, we're taking out £500. So I'm going to write negative £500 just to show that that's coming out, okay? And then we are going to deposit. So again, that's a positive value of £800 on the 1st of November. The interest rate is not changing for the duration of this account, and it's 1.5% per year. So that's going to be 1.015 for each of these three totals. My interest rate is over the course of a year, which is 12 months. So I'm going to pop 12 on the bottom of my fraction. Okay, so now I just need to think about how many months are involved for each of these amounts of money. Okay, so we're trying to work out the balance on the 1st of January 2025. Okay, which means there's not going to be any interest in January. We're thinking about the interest up to the end of November. Okay, at the end of December rather. Okay, so from April to December, that's a 9-month period. So that's 9/12 that I'm going to put in there. Okay. From July until December, that's a 6-month period. And then November, December is a 2-month period. Okay, so when I do these multiplications, when it comes to the 1st of July one, my answer there is going to be a negative amount. Okay, I'm going to have a positive amount for my first one, a negative amount for my second one, and a positive amount for my third one. Okay, because the second one is a withdrawal. So if I multiply the first together, I'm going to get £1,213.47. For the next one, I'm getting negative £503.74. And then for the last one, I'm getting £801.99. So if I add those three numbers up as I see them, so 1,213.47, take away 503.74, add 801.99, my accumulated value after that 9-month period is £1,511.72. So the key thing here is that any withdrawals will have a negative with them, and that will stay at the end.